Hi everyone, welcome to you all in my another video. So most of the people will want to come to Australia and they do not want to write any exam, especially if you are from health science, you are medical doctor, dentist, pharmacist, nurse, physiotherapist. So many of you are asking that what the option for us can come to Australia, can work without writing any exam, and we can get a PR. So in my previous video, I discussed about clinical research opportunities in Australia. So there is one of the job called clinical research associate is also called CRA. This is very good job for migrants who are coming to Australia. So right now, I already told in my video that 10 to 15,000 companies are giving that signing amount dollar. So if you are going to sign a contract with the company, so they are giving you 15,000 dollar. It's just first time. And what about your salary? So salary is about 100 to it is about 100,000 per year. So I can say it's like 4 lakh per year. So sorry, 4 lakh per month in India, Indian rupee that we are talking about. So that's why I am sharing this screen because so you can see that I'm not telling anything wrong or something. In my previous video, some people was comment that I'm just telling there is no evidence, those kind of things. So this is one of the job that today with our advertisement, they are saying that they are looking for CRA and they are giving the joining bonus up to $15,000 and person available in Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, Adelaide और पर्थ. तो ये 5 सिटी जो है ऑस्ट्रेलिया की, this job is available and this advertisement you can see on LinkedIn. So lot of jobs like this are available in Australia. The problem in CRA, there is a little bit traveling in this job. You have to travel one city to another city, or it might be in the same city. You have to go different sites to monitor the clinical trials ongoing. That's why the local people do not want to join this kind of job, so they are looking for migrants. So most of the migrants they are from China, Hong Kong, and Japan, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Those kind of they have health science degree, and if they have some experience, they directly can work in the CRA. So if you do not have experience and you are looking to entry level job, so I already make another video for that. That is separate video, but this is for CRA. Those have at least 5 year experience. They are asking 5 year experience, but some advertisement, some companies asking for at least 2 to 3 year experience as a CRA or monitoring role if you are on country and you are looking to migrate to Australia. So nowadays the company are giving you 15,000 signing amount. Apart from this, they are sponsoring your visa. So there is no need to write any exam for you. You directly you can get job. You are getting a job plus company is giving you the visa. So you know so if you see here is summary, they are saying that flexible working condition, opportunity to work from home and flexible working hours. So they are saying you can work from home and hours also flexible. Is up to you. And they are saying that joining amount $15,000 they are given qualified candidate, but they are asking 5 year experience as a CRA in your country. Then third point, they are saying that visa sponsorship and transfer available. This is very important for you. Visa sponsorship and transfer for qualified candidate already based in Australia. This is they are saying that if you are living in one city and you are relocating to other city or other state, so they are going to sponsor. But if you are in India, they definitely they're saying that visa sponsorship are available. So if you are in India or you are in Middle East, in US, wherever you are, and you are qualified for CRA job, then they will give you the visa. So that's why I'm saying that there is no need to write any exam. You are a pharmacist, no need to write CAP, or you are a dentist, no need to write for ADC exam, or you are a medical doctor. So once you got your PR, and later, if you think that the CRA job is not suitable for you, you want to change your profession, again, then you can write your exam and you can pursue your career as a doctor, dentist, pharmacist, or nurse, whatever you want. But this is very good career in Australia, and the salary is very high. If you will be a manager after a few years, then it will be the salary will be like 130 to 150,000 yearly. So on an average, I can say that if you have 7 to 8 year experience in clinical research, you can earn up to 150K yearly. You know, they are saying that competitive transportation allowance. That's why I told you this is like traveling to one city to another city. So they are given very good traveling allowance and annual merit increase, and a lot of they are saying, you know, they're given that airline club allowance, casual dress code, and opportunity to become manager, clinical trial manager, nomatic for manager. So बहुत सारे एडवांटेज हैं इफ यू आर रिलोकेटिंग टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया। नो, तो इफ आपके पास 3 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है एज ए CRA, वट एवर योर डिग्री, इवन योर डिग्री इज ए लाइफ साइंस, यू नो, एंड यू आर वर्किंग इन इंडिया, so you can migrate to Australia without writing any exam, and there is no need for any you have low point, you have high point, you know, because company is given you sponsorship. Company given you a sponsorship for a working visa, but once you are here in Australia, after that the company can sponsor you 186. So this is a PR visa, you know. So once you are coming to Australia, then you can negotiate with the company. Company can give you a letter again, and you can get PR. So it is very easy for you to get PR as compared to your nurse, pharmacist, or whatever you are. So you know, तो इसमें जस्ट क्या है, कोई भी एक डिग्री मांग रहे हैं लाइफ साइंस की और हेल्थ साइंस की डिग्री है आपके पास, और 5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है ये मांग रहे हैं, पर बहुत सारी कंपनी 3 साल पे भी जो है आपको जॉब दे देती है। तो रोल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप लोग खुद से ही जानते हैं, क्योंकि आप लोग ऑलरेडी जो है क्लिनिकल रिसर्च में जो है काम कर रहे हैं। तो मेरा यही सजेशन रहता है कि आपके लिए कि जो है क्लिनिकल रिसर्च में आप घुस जाइए, जितने भी पैसे आपको मिल रहे हैं इंडिया के अंदर, और 2 से 3 साल आप जॉब कीजिए, फिर उसके बाद आप जो है अब्रॉड में इजीली आप जो है माइग्रेशन कर सकते हैं विदाउट राइटिंग एन एग्जाम और एनीथिंग, यू नो। तो बहुत सारी, देखो इन्होंने रिक्वायरमेंट क्या मांगी है, देखिए इनकी रिक्वायरमेंट दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको। देखिए इन्होंने रिक्वायरमेट बहुत ही सिंपल मांगी है, उन्होंने रखा है क्वालिफिकेशंस बैचलर्स डिग्री इन हेल्थ और साइंस रिलेटेड फील्ड एंड एट लीस्ट 5 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इन क्लिनिकल मॉनिटरिंग। ये इनकी बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है कि बैचलर डिग्री हो आपकी, कोई भी हेल्थ साइंस की डिग्री हो, फार्मेसी, नर्सिंग, डेंटिस्ट्री, मेडिसिन, और व्हाट एवर डिग्री, यू नो, इवन इन द वेटरनरी साइंस, फिजियोथेरेपी, ऑप्टोमेट्री, यू नो, कोई भी हो। और उसके बाद 5 साल से आप जॉब कर रहे हैं मॉनिटरिंग में एज ए CRA, आप जॉब कर रहे हैं अपनी कंट्री, तो आप लुक कर सकते हैं। और नॉलेजेबल अबाउट क्लिनिकल मॉनिटरिंग। अब जो आप जॉब करा तो ऑलरेडी जो है ये सब तो हो गई, ये सब तो फॉर्मेलिटीज है। तो इतनी जॉब से ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अंदर के जो है क्लिनिकल रिसर्च में, यू कैन नॉट इमेजिन, यू नो, lot of jobs here. But if you are a fresher in Australia and you are a student and you are looking to a job full time, I'm helping you. If you are in Australia, you can just text me below in this video. I will text you, and I will help you to write your CV, restructure your CV and your cover letter, you know, how you can approach and how to apply to those kind of jobs, and what are the courses you need to do before you are looking for your first job, you know. So I will discuss in my other video, already uploaded that video, and yeah, this is the video। आज का वीडियो इतना ही था कि मैं बताऊं कि आप लोगों को प्रूफ के साथ में कि 15,000 रुपए मिल रहे हैं आपको साइनिंग अमाउंट जब आप जॉब करते हैं यहाँ ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अंदर। मतलब इतनी जॉब से यहाँ पर क्लिनिकल ट्रायल के अंदर लोग नहीं मिल रहे हैं बेसिकली। तो ये बहुत ही जो है शानदार करियर हो सकता है आपके लिए। तो ये भी एक अपने इंडिया में बहुत सारे जो स्टूडेंट हैं और ढूंढ रहे हैं कि कौन सी जॉब करें, तो क्लिनिकल रिसर्च आपके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा हो सकता है फ्यूचर में, तो आप लोग इसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। एंड प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल so I can make more videos, and thank you for watching.